Meaning of Jobcentre Plus.
Jobcentre Plus.
Jobcentre Plus.
Jobcentre Plus.
Jobcentre Plus. Jobcentre Plus is a government-run employment agency in the United Kingdom that provides assistance to individuals who are seeking work or looking to improve their skills and employability. It offers a range of services including job vacancy listings, career advice, skills assessments, training opportunities, and access to financial support such as benefits and tax credits. The goal of Jobcentre Plus is to help job seekers find suitable employment and help employers find skilled workers.